I found a company that deals with precious, semi-precious stones, beautiful gemstones, extravagant, has a purpose and a meaning to it. It actually will cheer up your mood. I feel like if I'm gonna wear jewelry, I mean like every day like I'm wearing right now, it better increase my energy, my mood. So I want to show you guys this wonderful collection. If you're having difficult times with love, or if you just want more energy, more motivation, then I got what you need. It's perfect semi-precious gemstone jewelry. So now that I got your attention and I got the gemstone books, or we can just Google it, I'll have it up there on the screen to let you know what each stone means and why you need it. And it's a must-have and why it's gonna increase your energy, motivate you, pull in that love that you need, and you might find your birthstone. Ah, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. That packaging is so on point. I'm loving that. That's top tier. It's from this company right here. You guys definitely check them out. I'll leave the link down below in my bio if you like any of the fabulous pieces that I'm gonna be showcasing you on this video. And yes, this is a collaboration. So this is the amethyst, you guys, and it has a charm on it that has 7 pointed to the little sun. And what a coincidence. In the book, it's a number 7. It's one of my lucky numbers. Did you know some of the stones gravitate to numbers too, and planets? So this one is all source worldwide. Third eye and some crown, high crown. So that's like the healing properties of it. And the number can be 3 too, but I prefer 7. 7, that's tight. And they put the 7 star. This is beneficial, I mean, pretty much for everything, for your skin, your gut health. If you have issues with your digestive system or rash, you should definitely invest in an amethyst. This is my personal favorite. I love crystal quartz. Quartz is so powerful, you guys. It attracts energy, positive energy, and it gives out positive energy. It just brings clarity of what you're saying. And that's why I'm just saying things great with the no script. Enough said. But I love crystal quartz. I mean, the detail of this piece is stunning. I'm gonna showcase it on as well. Crystal quartz is all zodiac signs. So if you got a lover or friend and you just don't know their birthday, give them a crystal quartz. So this is adjustable like this, definitely a unisex piece. You can definitely wear it with jeans or dress it up. It just brings your body into balance. Crystal quartz, beautiful crystal quartz jewelry. I love that, and the necklace is stunning. Double wrapped it, tiger's eye, citrine, beautiful bracelet. This is fantastic. Did you know tiger's eye is good for if you have like really bad bone density, or you break a lot of bones, or you broke a bone? Tiger's eye is the stone you want to wear for that. Tiger's eye horoscope is a Leo and Capricorn. Its lucky number is 4, and it's a sunstone. It's a yin yang. This is a good positive stone jewelry to wear, very close on your wrist. That's why they designed it in a bracelet. But I like this is like adjustable. Look at that. So it's like this, but then you just twist it like this, and then voila. This is unisex, so this can be for female or male. This is gonna help for orgasms. Yes, orgasms. And balance. Tiger's eye is known for that too. So if you just have that broken heart and you're just feeling some type of way, you need to be recharged, tiger's eye is the way to go. This bracelet is stunning. And you got your quartz right here on the side. And each quartz is slightly different. You can see like beautiful things and specks inside of it. I mean, these are great for any weather, so you can definitely wear them in the tub, the shower. They can get wet. This jewelry is very luxury, high-end, so, but you're definitely getting what you pay for. So this wrap bracelet is aquamarine with a little token of citrine. This is beautiful. Look at the details of it, how shiny it is. Now, aquamarine, you guys, it's a really great stone that's in Brazil, actually. Aquamarine is a moon sign. That's kind of interesting too. So aquamarine is my stone. It's a Gemini, Aries, or Pisces, and I'm a Gemini. So it's a perfect zodiac to gift anybody in those three fields. Or if you are a Gemini, a Aries, or a Pisces, you can gift somebody for them to remember you. Aquamarine, it comes from emotional state. So it just helps you feel the emotions you're feeling. But it's so pretty, like the deep sea. So aquamarine is good for fear, stress, anxiety. So if you're dealing with anything of depression, anxiety, stress, and you want a relief, you wear this. And this is a good piece to wear on your neck and on your wrist. So I have a little wrist, but it's adjustable too. That's what I like about it. But this one can be worn 3 times wraparound, or you can do it 2 times wraparound, or you can wear it actually on your neck. Look at that. Well designed, very hardy. It's not going to break, but it's stunning. I feel like this one is a more formal piece of jewelry that I can definitely wear with a gown to a special event. Well designed, and let me tell you, it makes me feel so good, tingly inside. I truly understand, and now I know why people are just head over heels over gemstone jewelry. Why wear boring jewelry with no meaning? Masonite, what masonite? Some artificial stone? No, wear the real thing from Mother Nature, from the earth, and feel grounded. Have light, energy, motivated. Just feel it all inside. It keeps you going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make for sure you subscribe to my channel down there. Give this video a thumbs up and watch some more of my videos if you like product review and love jewelry like me, especially semi-precious jewelry. I'm ready to gift this to a great friend. I mean, this is fantastic. The bag is so cute. I'm loving it.